Hey, all my JavaScript friends, this is the Virtuoid, aka Mike Smith, and this is an update on our Davenport card game. I'm just so flippin' excited. I just had to share this. I'm not going to show you code, not going to show you anything else, but I started working on the browser part of the game again tonight after having to discover that I had a lot of missing pieces on both of the deck and the cards. And you know, if you've been following our you've been following the post here, I had to do clone methods and get card methods, all that kind of fun stuff, and it was a pain, but we got it all done. I threw in this Davenport card game basically. In fact, let me go ahead and show you really code real quick here. Just extremely quickly, like, here are my different players, here's my starting the dealer, here are the different callbacks, and I haven't done a video on the callbacks yet. That's actually going to be probably tomorrow. We'll do the video on what I mean by the callbacks. Just kind of helps me keep track of what's going on here. I'm initializing the game, and then I'm just going to run the game itself. And when I did that, it worked the first time through. No errors, no nothing. The game actually worked. I did discover an error here. I forgot to check for round numbers, so notice that the round number kept saying round one, round one, round one, but it's gone. It went through each of the rounds. It figured out what the best card would be to pick for each player, and then once there was a winner, in this case, for instance, round one here, there was no winners. Once there was a winner, like in this case, Rick S won, he lost the card, as you can tell. There's no more card there. This round right here, the human won, and so they've lost the card, and then this next round, there was a tie. Look who tied. Yeah, the human played a 9 and Saitama played a 9. All right, that's the way it goes. And then Saitama finally won this one. So then we got 3 players with 3 cards, and poor old Phineas is down to still, 4 cards. Phineas is down to still 5. And no, Phineas won this one. So we're now, everybody's got 4. Saitama came out with a big win here by playing the king. And then we came up here and, really small cards. We're down to all the small cards now. The human won this one. They played a 5. Everybody else had to play something really small. So they started picking up some cards here. Whoop, Phineas came back with a win. So now it's Phineas, Saitama, and the human with 3 cards left. And poor old Rick S just has 4 cards left. We get another round here. And Rick S wins. So now everybody's got just 3 cards. We got a couple of kings and queens coming in. So everybody's making a run for it. Phineas comes back with a win with a king. And then next round here. We had a tie. No winners. Who tied? That was Rick S and Saitama with 9s here. So they tied. Come back to this next round here. And had another tie. We had Phineas played its queen and Rick played his queen. That tied again. Here comes another round here, and Saitama comes with a win. So now Phineas and Saitama down to 2 cards. Coming up with another one right here. We got another tie. King for human and king for Phineas. Next round, another tie. Woo! Rick S with the jack and the human with the jack. So man, they're just battling it out this time. Phineas comes up with another win with the 8 here, and they're down just this 1 card. So Phineas is down to his final card. But Rick pulls out this win with a queen. So now Rick has got 2 cards left. Poor human's got 3 left. And now we come up to the end here, and Phineas plays that final king that he picked up in the last round, and Phineas is the winner. It worked the first time through. This proves how good test-driven development is. We spent all that time doing the TDDs on the round. We spent all that time doing the TDDs on the player and the game, which of course I hadn't done the player and the game one yet. I'll be getting to that sometime this week. We did all of that so I could just write the code in the browser here, run it, and with the exception of the round number, everything worked straight out. It's fantastic. So I'll get the round number all fixed up. I'll go ahead and do the videos for the rest of the test-driven developments for the Davenport game. And then I'm going to give you what I've gotten here so far in a video and go through details exactly what I did to get this far with all the code. And then we're going to start really prettying it up with all the wonderful graphics and the animations and all that kind of fun stuff. This, no animations or anything done right here. This is just something really raw. And the big thing here, of course, is to make sure that a human can actually play with it. Because right now, all 4 players are robot players, AI players. So, hey, I love it. I love it when things work first time through. So, hey, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for following us on YouTube here. If you like this here, click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, or leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching. This is the Virtuoid, aka Mike Smith. We'll see you on the next video.